Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to put negative number 2 on numerator and denominator. So this one that is about negative cosine x, negative cosine x. Next, we need to add about sin x. Later that, we need to minus about sin x. So this one divide by this one. So we have number 1. So we put the negative go in here. So the integration of number 1 that is about x. Now negative 1 over 2 with the negative, we have positive. So I need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin x minus cosine x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have cosine x. This one we have negative sin x, negative and negative, we have positive. So this one we change for u. This one we change for the u. The integration of this one we have like this. About u, that is about this one. So we go back in here. So the integration of this one that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.